Kanimori, ma'am.
Okay, Kanimori. Yeah,
Shall I
Kanimori.
show?
You wanted to show or you yeah. Very good, Ma. Yours is very clear. I could see. Thank you, Ma.
Good
Those who
afternoon,
are,
ma'am.
I'm sorry,
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Stalin.
What's the time?
You wanted to show?
Yes,
Yeah, okay.
ma'am.
Yeah, show me, Pa. I could see your face only. Aro Kiraj is once again. Okay, Aro
Ma'am,
Kiraj.
good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Kirtana.
இது எப்படி
Thomas.
கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது?
Good noon. Kitna, you wanted to show me or you just wanted to talk?
Ma'am,
Yeah, Ma.
Ma'am, good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Pa. Who's this?
Anthony Raj, ma'am.
ma'am, I complete my
Once again, Kitna wanted to show.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Kirtana. Okay, good, Ma.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next,
Ma'am, Anthony
who's
Raj, ma'am.
Anthony? You
Anthony.
can show now.
Hmm. Ma'am,
No, keep your phone still so that I could see what you have written in your note.
ma'am.
Show me your note.
Yes, ma'am. My camera is damaged, ma'am.
Okay. So can you take a picture and send me? Send in the WhatsApp group or send to me separately, Pa.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Pa. Good afternoon to all. Okay, let me post names who have shown me notes. Okay, I'm typing. First, Anita showed me. Am I right? Anita Jennifer. Uvi Arasan. Lokesh. Then Anthony Raj. Kirtana. What's your initial, ma? Not Kirtana A. Some other Kirtana.
Kirtana P, ma'am.
Okay, Kirtana P. Very good. Did I? Manoj, why are you typing Manoj? Did you showed me? Then who is Lokesh, Kirtana? Kanimuri. Who else showed me, ma? Stalin, Arogyaraj. That's it, right? Manivannan, did you show me? Ilavarasan, can you show again? Manivannan and Ilavarasan, can you show me again? I don't think you have shown me. Puviyarasan,
Ma'am?
did Manivannan and Ilavarasan showed me their notes?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, Pa, for confirming that. Okay, let me present. So, others, you have not kept a separate note for strategic management. Is it so?
மேம் நான் இப்போதான் மேம் ஜாயின் பண்ண நோட் காமிக்கிறேன் மேம்.
யார் பாதி இளவரசன். ஓகே. What is the work that I have given to you yesterday? Core competency, yes. So what is core competency? Competitive advantage. Anyone can just post some 2-3 words on core competency or competitive advantage. What you know about it? Core competency is a multiple resources. Can be applied to the organization as a whole or individuals. It cannot be applied. It is an inherent capability. Like it is a capability of an organization to do something. Jennifer, I don't know how many times you will come in. She hasn't. Can be applied. Okay. Are you all able to see me now? Is my voice clear? If not, I use not clear. Okay, Pa. No, ma, Anita, someone trying to join as a Jennifer. I don't know who is that. It is the pop-up is there, but I couldn't admit them. I don't know why. See, someone says failed to. Make sure that when you type, see your chat box also got recorded. Okay, so make sure that when you type without spelling mistakes. Anthony Raj, what have you typed? Okay, Sharmila, send me a image of it to my WhatsApp number if you are in WhatsApp. Okay. Otherwise, next class, show me. Anthony Raj, are you there? Are you able to listen to me?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it's mistake, ma'am.
Make sure you do not do that mistake again because it is all saved and I cannot help you out in this. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
it is a common to everyone. When you type, make sure that you follow good things. Guidelines has been followed. Don't make spelling mistakes here.
Okay, I'm
Good.
sorry, ma'am.
Fine, pa. I don't know the syllabus, ma'am. Hello, I cannot send to separate. It is there in the WhatsApp. Take it from there. Otherwise, you can use Moodle. It will be uploaded over there. Okay, Bhuvi Harrison. Okay, yesterday's class we have seen levels of strategy. We have completed corporate level strategy, business and functional level strategies, and what is marketing, finance, HR, production, research. These are all functions of a business unit, and many business units comprises of corporate. So, that corporate is it's a conglomerate. It's like a unit of a complete of business units is called as corporate. Under corporate, there will be multiple business units. Many business units wholly called as corporate. Okay, so under corporate there will be many business units. Each business unit will have different functional department, that is marketing, finance, HR, production, and research and development. So yesterday we have seen are you all following me, right? I'm started taking class. Yes, good. Okay. Yesterday we have taken HRM functional department and we have seen the three phases of strategies. That is strategy formulation, strategy implementation, and strategy evaluations. I have given example as well. Now we are going to see about corporate capabilities, analyzing corporate capabilities. Okay. Now you have a question. What is strength, weakness, opportunities, and threat? It is also shortly called as SWOT. You will see in detail about it next unit. But what generally you think of the word strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats? Who's this Jennifer? Jennifer, can you just tell me? Why? You all know what is strength, right? Or you couldn't find a right word for strength or weakness? Okay, strength and weakness is found in the internal environment. It is within you. Strength. Everyone will have strength and everyone will have weakness. Am I right? Every individual person, for one, take an example of any student. Okay, one person will be very good at mathematics. For this, their strength is math. Another person is good at history, or another person. Is my voice breaking? Okay, 1 minute. What about now, ma? Hello? Clear. Okay. Okay. I left with, now it's clear. I left with strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats, right? So now we all understood what is strength and weakness. It is present within your environment, within your business. When it comes to you as a person, everyone will have strength and weakness. Everyone will have opportunities and threat in the external environment. So strength and weakness found in the internal environment, and opportunities and threats are in the external environment. Others, voice breaking. Kuberasan, is my voice breaking?
Yes, ma'am.
My voice is breaking. What about now? Now also voice is breaking. Someone please unmute and talk.
Yes, ma'am.
But clear. So we all understood strength and weakness. Strength and weakness found in which environment? Use chat box and tell me. Internal. Okay, good. Opportunities and threats are in the external environment. Okay. Good. Strength is like your ability to do anything. Okay, you're very good at it means it is strength. Weakness is like something stops you to doing, something resists you. That is weakness. Like others can do well in mathematics, but you cannot do it. That is your weakness. So you have to practice something to come out of your weakness, right? So you all know what is strength and weakness to you. Let me talk with the opportunities and threats. So opportunities is you can use that from external environment for your advantage, whether you are capable enough to use that opportunities, chances. Yeah, I get this chance, so I will prove it. That is opportunity. Like for someone, who is good at sports, they are good at chess. Let's say I'm good at chess, so there is a chess championship is happening in your environment, that is in your locality. So what you'll do, yes, that is as an opportunity. So I'll prove my chess capabilities there. That is an opportunity. Okay. Threat is like something stops you doing. That is threat. That is found in external environment. So are we all clear with these four terms now? Strength, weakness, opportunities, and threat. Good. So are you all able to see the presentation? Yes. Okay. Now we'll see this, then we'll say that. Okay. Analyzing corporate capabilities. Analyzing corporate capabilities can be done by assessing the business performance, determining the risk areas of the business, prioritizing investment, especially in terms of time, effort, and money. So capability is what's my ability to do. Okay, so we'll see that whether is there any risk in the external environment, and you'll see our performance in the internet environment. First, you will see as a business, you will see what is my strength and weakness, where my capabilities is there. Then you will see that what is the risk present in the external environment. So risk becomes your chances of doing it. Okay, organizational capability is the inherent capability or the potential of an organization to use its strength and overcome its weakness in order to exploit opportunities and face threat in its external environment. So capability means, okay, you have segregated your strength and weakness and what is your opportunities and threat in the external environment. So your capabilities to use the strength and you overcome the weakness. Your weakness gets reduced and you strengthen your strength. So after you strengthen your strength, what you will do, you will exploit opportunities. That is, you use that opportunities which is present in the external environment, so that you will develop capabilities, so that you will gain competitive advantage. Competitive advantage is that when you compare with some other person or some other business in the external environment, you are able to do it and other business are not able to copy you. That is competitive advantage. Now, have you got what is competitive advantage? Yes, ma'am, Miss, for competitive advantage. Yes, good. Next, competencies. Competencies is what is present in you. What you are able to do is competency. That is qualities. So each quality is a competency. The qualities are possessed by an organization is a competencies, and it will help you to withstand the competition. So if you have this, the quality, then what you can survive in the market. That is competency. Two types of competencies are there: core competency and distinctive competency. Core competency is the one it is present in everything. Let's take a business of biscuits. Okay, when you are able to do biscuit, that is, you are able to produce biscuit, means that is core competency. So you have started a business of making biscuits, but when you don't know the procedure for making a biscuit, that means you do not possess core competency. Core competency is the main quality to start a business. That is core competency. So you understood core competency? Yes. Distinctive competency is which competency differs from others. That is distinctive competency. Like I am able to prepare some biscuit which is distinct from other businesses. That is, no one can copy my ability to do this, to produce that product or give that service. That is distinctive. I am different from others, so no one can copy me. That is distinctive competency. So the quality of not being copied is called as distinctive competency. Now, when you possess these two competencies, then you will gain competitive advantage. So corporate capabilities are the building blocks of any firms and find basis of competitive advantage. So when you have the ability to do anything, then you will gain competitive advantage. Okay, now going to the framework. Okay, fine. First, see, there are 5 blocks, right? I'll start from the backwards. That is, I'll start with organization resources and organization behavior. You take a business or organization where you will have resources. Resources, it could be of raw materials, it could be of your employees, of production methods. All this comes under organization resources. Organization behavior comes with the policies, rules, regulations, policies, that comes under ethics, everything organization behavior. Once you set up this organization resources and organization behavior, you will gain strength and weakness. From where you can start doing your product or making your product. That is strength and weakness. Now you've got strength and weakness. Okay, this is, you will segregate, this is my weakness, so I have to concentrate more on my strength. This is my weakness where I have to reduce it. Okay, then after finding out strength and weakness, you will have synergic efforts. Synergic efforts in the sense, two or more energy combine and you produce something. That is synergy. Okay. Okay. After attaining synergistic efforts, you will gain competencies. That is capability to do something. Then after core competency or distinct competency attained, then you will have organization capabilities. After that, you are doing it and everything in the market. Then you will survive and you will capture more market share. Then you will attain strategic advantage, which is called as competitive advantage. The competitive advantage means that you are standing out of the you're standing out compared to other business in the unit, in the market. So I'm done with corporate competitive advantage, corporate capabilities. Have you all understood? Good. Thank you, Thomas, for responding. Okay. Let's go. I'll go through all the slides. Okay. What we have seen, I think we have so far covered unit 1. From next class, CRM, I'll be taking more classes. So strategic management will be lesser for you. Okay. I am also taking CRM for you, or you all know that, no? Customer relationship management. Yes, ma'am, we know. Good. So what is strategic management, and what is business system, characteristics of business system, components of strategies, and hierarchy of goals in strategic management, objectives of business we have seen in detail. Next, we have seen levels of strategies, corporate, business, and functional. We have seen example for it, and we have seen corporate capabilities. I will upload lessons in Moodle. You can access to it. There is a quiz for this unit. Everyone study and attempt that quiz. Okay. And also, I have assigned you some assignment. Start doing it. Once you all access Moodle, everything should be uploaded over there so that I will mark assessment marks. Okay? Okay, ma'am. Good. If you have any doubts, you can post here so that I'll clarify your doubts. See, there is a discussion forum in Moodle also, where you can discuss any topics. I will clarify your doubts over there too. Okay. I'll also post some topics for discussion to have a discussion with you all. So kindly follow Moodle. Okay. Okay, sure. What else did I miss? I think we have completed unit 1. So you all have to attempt quiz. I'll just see when you all can do it. Fine. With this, I'll stop recording.